Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For today, it's the last day of the year of 2024, December 31st. And I'm over here at Ski Roundtop today. And I got here at about 9 o'clock, which their website said they opened at 9, but when I pulled up about 5 or 10 minutes before, they were actually open before that. So don't always believe what you see on the website for actual hours. Other ski resorts are open at 8 o'clock today with the Vail group, but everything looks pretty good here today. The main slopes are groomed well, so let's have a go. Susquehanna. Thin and bare. Oh yeah. Ramrod. I just came down Ramrod. It was okay. It's slushy. For snowboards, it'd be great, though, I think. Go ahead. Good jump, man. Whoops. That was a good jump. Gotcha. Yeah. Well, all right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Today was a great day over here at Ski Roundtop up in near Lewisberry, Pennsylvania. I did about maybe 15 runs today, and the snow started out really good. They did open up about 15 minutes early, about 8:45. I talked to one of the lift operators, and you know, it allowed people to get out there a little earlier on the last day of the year here. But hey, I do want to show you something pretty cool here at Liberty, or I'm sorry, at Roundtop. We've got a ski Christmas tree over here. So that makes it kind of nice and cool. So with that, I want to thank everybody for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring.